Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are going to review another passive income project called as roast beef. Before we start the video, I would request you to please like and subscribe to my channel, and any advice given on this project is not considered as a financial advice. So please do your own research before you invest in any of these projects. So let's get this video started. So if we go on to their main page, which is called as roastedbeef.io, all of the links will be left in the description of the YouTube video. If we scroll down a bit, so it says, so the daily return will be 10% and APR of 3650. So the contract address is based on Binance Smart Chain, and they will be launching their Polygon Smart Chain address in 3 hours and 55 minutes as I'm making the video now. So that's the time which is showing now. So when you want to invest in their project, so you need to invest BNB, and you need to have ample BNB in your wallet. Connect your wallet, buy their beefs in return, and you will be getting daily profit in form of BNB. You can re-roast, which means you can recompound it, or you can eat beef, which means you will be able to take your profit out. So we will see the step-by-step tutorial how we can invest in their project. So let's review their project from start to end. So if we go on the top of the page, so the options are connect wallet, roast, beef swap. So they have a beef swap exchange also, where you can swap your balances to burgers, and I think they will be launching one of their coins in the future, which is quite good. And going back to their main page, so there are a couple of buttons here. So the first one seems to be the contract address verification. The next one is for Twitter. The next one is Telegram, Instagram, and Facebook page. Scrolling down to the end of the part, so you can see there is a referral link part. So you will be earning 13% of the BNB, which is used to roast beef from anyone who uses the referral link. So I'll show you how you can get your referral link. Let's review their contract address first. So if I click on that contract address link, so currently I can see that they have around 6,181 BNB, which has already been invested in the project. And the BNB value for this project seems to be around 2.3k, and which is quite huge and seems to be a very promising project. Looking into the statistics of the transactions, I can see like most people are hatching X. Hatch X means that people are either buying it or they are reinvesting. If you see the overall transactions, so there are very less transactions of sell, which means the project seems to be a valid one. Once I click on the Twitter link, so once you click on the Twitter link, so you should be coming here on their main page, and they have 2,380 followers, which is quite good. And that's the link for the official website, Telegram, and every link is available there, which you can find. Scrolling down a bit, I can see roast beef launching on Polygon network on May 1st, which is today. And as I've shown you on the start of the video, that they will be launching in next 3 hours. So new features: 20% auto re-roast feature, which is quite good. 10% team fee will be injected to BNB roast beef contract every week. So that means the people who are already invested in their project in form of BNB, so they will be getting some more bonuses. And that's the launching date. Going back a bit down, so that's again the same promotion, and they are saying like 102.95 BNB from beef swap treasury will just injected into roast beef contract to support its sustainability. And so they are going to invest that money into their main contract, which is on BNB, just to make the project more sustainable. And that's their Telegram official link. You can join them. 8,244 members, which is quite huge. If you want to see their Instagram page, that's also available. They have a Facebook page also, which is quite good. Best miner in DFI, daily returns up to 10%, which is quite good. Now let's go back to their main official website. So if we go back to their main website, so they have a white paper. So let's review their white paper, and they have done audit also. If we go back to their main website, so we can see they have a white paper and audit also. So let's review the audit part first. If I click on the audit, so I should be getting a PDF link which says here, so security audit, roasted beef, that's their official website. So the audit is being done by Haze Security. That's their Binance Smart Chain address. And critical issues are none. High issues are only one, because as you always know that medium severity or high risk is only involved where there is a term ROI is used. So this project again contains a term called as ROI, so that's why they're saying like it is a high risk high reward ratio. That's why high issues are only one. The roast beef smart contract found no vulnerabilities, no backdoors, and no scam scripts. The code was tested with compatible compilers and simulated manually, reviewed for all commonly non-specific vulnerabilities. A good part for any project when they are audited already, so it lets investors give a sense of a trust when they want to invest in their project. Review their white paper, so what exactly this project is and what sort of utility they are running. So roast beef miner, innovative DFI on Binance Smart Chain, up to 10% daily return and 13% referral bonus. Fully verified and audited contract. That's good. Scrolling down a bit more, what is the price of beef? Beef do not have a set price. Higher TVL, more beef per BNB. Lower TVL, less beef. This creates level playing field so no user can be late. There is no calculator available to work this out. What will be my daily percentage? Daily percentage is up to 10%. This depends on eating habits, the time of the day you re-roast, or deposit any TVL fluctuation. Average daily return is around 7 to 10%. So the daily percentage can increase or can decrease depending on the TVL. So TVL means the total value of the project. A bit of concern why my rewards are not growing. Eating habits affect rewards. So when you try to take your profit out on daily basis, so your percentage can reduce. So remember this thing. Now the next question is, what happens if I always eat? So if you always eat, your daily percentage will drop, of course, which I've already explained, because there is anti-whale mechanism. So anti-whale mechanism means that the person who is trying to take their profit on daily basis and taking them into their own wallets, so automatically the daily percentage of their profit gets reduced. Now the next question, which is very important, is re-roasting more often better or 2-3 times a day? So re-roasting means that you are doing the same thing as compounding. So essentially yes, but you will have to pay standard BSC gas fees. So my strategy in these kind of projects is, so let's take an example. So currently my time is 8:13 p.m. So tomorrow exactly at the same time I will reinvest or recompound so that I'm only charged the gas fee one time. So what are beef? So beef are the miners that are hired with BNB and work to get your rewards. This is just a term which we decided to use. Crypto OGs will now beef as BNB. So the beefs which you will be getting in return, consider them again as a BNB, which you are basically mining, and you will be earning rewards in form of BNB again. So the main question, are you going to get your initial investment back? So of course no, because again this is a mining project. So your seed amount will be locked when you are investing in this particular project. The roast beef miner is a locked rewards pool, so no. You can get your initial investment back over time, which you will be getting in your reward section or daily investment. How come my referrals aren't showing and where are they? So your referrals show up in my reward section of the MinerD app. Referrals are 13% of the deposit. So 1 BNB deposit equals 2.13 BNB. So as an example, if any of your friend is depositing 1B in this particular project, so you will be getting around 0.13 BNB as a profit, and that profit you can reinvest or take that one out. That means like all of the sudden developers take their money out and they run away, so that thing cannot be done in the project. So the 6/1 strategy explained, which I've already done. So it is a 6 days, not 6 retoast. So you have to recompound that money for 6 days, not 6 times in a day. So please keep that thing in your mind. Is it too late to invest? So no, it's never too late to invest. You can invest at any time of the day or any time of the month, and you are expected to get around again 10% profit on daily basis. The other thing is, can contract functions be added? So they have already said contract is immutable, nothing can be changed or added. Does it have anti-whale mechanism? So yes, they have. What is the minimum deposit? So your minimum deposit is 0.01 BNB, and that's how you can start their project. What is the minimum retoast? So there is no minimum retoast as long as you have a BEP20 gas fee. That's the thing which you can do. In terms of the longer run, so roast beef aims to become the largest D app on Finance Smart Chain. Roast beef will integrate with largest swaps such as PancakeSwap in near future. Roast beef will have a plan of releasing token and there and then airdropping to all of the early investors for roast beef miners. So that's the utility which I was talking about. That seems good. Hopefully these things grow well and you guys can get your profit in the longer run. Now disclaimer, we do not guarantee 10% of the profit on daily basis. Roast beef minor is illegal in certain countries across the globe. So please consider before you invest, and do not invest the money which you can lose. So now I'll show you the procedure how you can invest in their project. So let's go back to their main website. So the first thing which I need to do is I need to connect my wallet. The wallet will be connected in the back end just for the security purpose. Okay, so now my wallet has been successfully connected. A sign to see if your wallet has been connected or not. You should be able to see your contract address here. So now if I'll scroll down, I should be able to see a couple of more options on the project. So currently I can see that this contract has around 6,180 BNB, which is quite good. Like it's a very big amount, and the project seems to be going quite well. If you have any doubt, please reach out to them on their Telegram group. The guys are helpful and they answer all of the query. And scrolling down a bit, so now my wallet is connected. So if I want to invest in their project, so let's take an example. I want to invest around, let's say, 3 BNB. So once I'll add 3 BNB here, and I click on roast beef. So once I click on roast beef, I should be able to see a new pop-up window which will say that authorize this transactions. The moment you will click authorize, so you should be getting some beefs in the return. And then from those beefs, you will be getting a daily profit which you can re-roast for 6 days, which we have already discussed. And on the seventh day, you need to click on eat beef. That will take the profit out in form of BNB back to your wallet. And for the referral link, so once the wallet is connected, you should be getting your referral link here. In terms of the referral link, so once you will connect your wallet, that link will be displayed here. So just copy that link, send it to your friends and family in case they are interested to invest in this particular project. So if they are investing, so you will be getting 13% of their BNB which they are going to roast. So guys, that's it from my today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.